What do we got here? Wall roaches. Golly. That's cool. Nice. Everyone's favorite. Floor bones. You know, this room doesn't smell so bad. But that's pretty gross. Oh, let's see. Let's see. We got keys. I gotta tighten this. Oh, let's see what we're working with here.
It's fucked.
I remember we did a sales video walkthrough and it didn't look like this.
Right?
Or smell like this. Well, it kind of smelled like this. Looks good, dude.
They did steal the stuff.
You're only gonna want to leave the essentials, you know, all your kids' shit.
They ripped the thermostat off the damn wall.
Yeah, you don't have that, dude. Somebody was trying to clean. One plus one is two.
Supposed to do for Christmas. Yeah, there was a fucking stove here.
It's a pretty new one too, I think.
Bro, how's... There's a roach right there.
A couple of roaches, a bunch of dead roaches.
Yeah.
That was probably dead. Are you dead? Yeah, you're dead. When you're dead, you're dead.
When you're dead, you're dead.
How are roaches still here? There's not like a lot for them to eat.
Yeah, there's no food source.
What's that?
I don't know. Careful on those stairs down there.
Yeah, I remember they were slickery.
A little bit slippery.
Oh, look at that. A signed history book.
Oh, yeah. And no electricity.
And no electricities.
Nice.
1 plus 1 is 2. It's not as slippery this time though, but maybe it should have like a different kind of sole on my shoe.
Yeah, that's true. A little while now.
Nice. Everyone's favorite. Floor bones. Nothing in
It's
there.
always chicken bones, man.
Yeah, lots of them. There's another one. One plus one is 2. Why is that stuck in my head? Because that car drove by, I just heard it.
Yeah.
So, quick backstory here, sorry for a burp. There was supposed to be an eviction here. And people just dipped. Smells like piss in here. It's got that nice pissy smell everybody loves. Probably not great to be breathing whatever the fuck's going on down here. Just go ahead and rip that fucking out. More roaches on the steps. Oh, there's a man drawing. It's a drawing of a man. I think there might have been an unreported leak. What do we got here? Wall roaches. Golly. That's cool. Nice. Oh, sticky, sticky. Sticky.
Yo, what the hell makes it so sticky?
General filth. You know, this room doesn't smell so bad. But that's pretty gross. Pretty gross.
I hope that's brown paint.
That's Dookies.
We'll just show the friends up there. Well, it's show the friends.
Yeah, like that kid on the internet.
Yeah.
Ooh, I touched it. Ooh. Yeah, dude, it's just. Oh no! That's what Frosted Flakes looks like when you just spill the bowl and then you just leave it on the floor. It's beautiful. Gross, it stinks so bad. It smells so bad. Let's see. You see anything cool up there? I don't. Nope. Nothing, just general filth.
What about that?
Nice shower head though. Amazing. Yeah, alright, that's it, dude.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
Let's burn our shoes and stuff out of here.
Yeah, watch your step on it. It's like sticky, but I'm afraid that it's only sticky because we haven't worn off whatever's slippery.
Yeah. I mean, last time the basement stuff was slippery as fuck. So.
Yeah. I wonder when they did it out of here.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't see any eviction sticker on the door.
Cracked windows, stolen outlet covers, well, broken outlet covers.
Pretty much everything you could fuck up is fucked.
Yep. Be careful who you rent to, I guess. Not all single mothers are created equally. Alright.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to HoltonWise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.